Whether you're looking for your first wood lathe or hoping to expand your turning capability, look no further than the Grizzly G0733 18 by 47 inch heavy-duty wood lathe. The G0733 features variable speed control in two ranges for optimal torque, 330 to 3200 RPM in high range, and 100 to 1200 RPM in low range to help tackle nearly any job. Stability is a must when turning large diameter projects, and the heavy-duty precision-milled cast iron bed and legs help minimize vibration for smooth turning. One awesome advantage the G0733 has over other lathes is the built-in variable frequency drive technology, or VFD as it's commonly known. This allows the use of a true three-phase AC motor, capable of running on standard single-phase 220-volt power for smooth speed control and much-needed torque even at the lowest RPMs. So you know this lathe brings the power, and it has heavy-duty capacity to match with 18 inches of swing and 47 inches between centers. But what about the technical features? The G0733 features indexing holes set every 10 degrees for intricate inlays, clock faces, or even flutes on furniture legs. And the headstock, tailstock, and tool rest all adjust using lever action cam locks for quick positioning anywhere along the bed. The headstock features a 1 1/4 by 8 TPI right-hand spindle, and both the tailstock and spindle feature MT No. 2 tapers. Take your turning to the next level today with the G0733 18 by 47 inch heavy-duty wood lathe, available on Grizzly.com.